We're now looking at a Jamaican sweep in the 400-meter hurdles for men and women. Rasheen Clark, he took the winnings earlier for the men, and now we have Shiann Salmon taking the winnings for the women in the 400-meter hurdles at Zurich. Diamond League today. No, she also got a personal best, and her time was 52.97, smiling brightly and looking proud as she realizes that she is the Diamond League Zurich champion. Now we have Cockrell in 53.17 and Little in 54.07 to take second and third there. So we're putting up the visuals so that you can see.